Welcome back. So as you can already see, today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be talking to you guys about Kidbox. So lately I've been into subscription boxes and seeing everything that's out there to offer. This one is a clothing subscription box for kids. So we're trying to get my daughter ready for back to school. We're almost at the end of July. August is just 2-3 days away now. So I decided to look into Kidbox. I'm going to read straight from the website exactly what Kidbox is. So a Kidbox is a style box strictly meant for your kids. You would go online onto their website and you would first start off by doing a style quiz for them. So basically any types of clothes that your kid likes to wear, whether it's athletic wear, whether it's more classic wear, whether it's more dressy or sporty, you would fill out all of these pieces of information. You would also choose the kind of sizes and everything your kid wears so that every box is geared toward them. You would order the box. Each box will have 6 to 7 items in it, handpicked for your kid by their stylist, going according to the profile that you filled out. It will be delivered to your door. Now understand that these are being delivered to you before you are even charged anything at all. So you get them sent to your home basically for free. Okay, you get to try them on before you buy anything, so only pay for what you love. There's no styling fee and there's no commitment. Shipping is free both ways. So they will provide a shipping label for you. Anything you choose not to keep, you will ship right back to them. Anything you choose to keep will stay with you, and you will go into your online profile and it'll ask you on each individual clothing item which one you're going to keep, which one you want to exchange because maybe the size is wrong, or which one you're returning, and then it'll ask you why you're returning it so that they can make your profile even more tweaked to your specifications. And then anything that you're going to keep, you'll click keep, and then it'll charge you for those particular items only. At the end, you can donate and save. If you're keeping the whole box, you can enjoy amazing Kidbox pricing and select a charity to help a child in need. So we are going to open this here and unbox everything with you on camera. I did pick the box style for back to school because, like I said before, school is going to be starting again very soon, and August is the month that we start preparing her so that she's ready, you know, come September. So I did pick the back to school style box, and yeah, so let's open it up and see what they've sent, and then we'll come right back and start showing you what each item is. Okay, so here we go. We're ready to open up. And as soon as you open it up, it tells you here that you have 7 days to decide. And when you decide, you go to your account and you go through your selections, and you enjoy an additional discount when you keep the entire box. We don't know how that's going to go yet, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like inside. Maybe tilt it forward. Sorry, tilt it forward a little bit. This is what you get here. They actually give you some bubbles in there so that it doesn't shift around too much. Oh my god, that's so cute. Whoa. So this is actually like a pencil case, a clear one. It has a small coloring book inside, and then when you turn it around, it's got some crayons here. So this one says hi. Oh, it also will ask you for your child's name so that you can personalize the box to them. I didn't want to put her name in there, so I just put hi, but it goes, hi Kids Summer Box. Hi Priscilla, welcome to Kidbox. Thrilled to be bringing you this sporty athletic box, which is not what I chose. I chose back to school, but we'll see it. This sporty athletic box full of hand-picked summer styles. As your child enjoys trying on our fresh new looks, compare our incredible prices. Okay. If you keep the full box for $98, you'll enjoy a savings of $101. Wow, what they put in here. And an average price of about $16.33 per style. Also, for each full box you keep, we'll provide clothing to a charity that you select. So have a chat with your child about the importance of giving back. This note is from your personal stylist, Allison. Okay, that is so cute. That's so sweet. And then here you get kind of like a new style letter going on. This reminds me of the FabFitFun box. So that's pretty awesome there. And then your items are packaged like this inside. What's this here? I think this is the Unwind Surprise Ball prizes inside. Oh, and there's a little prize for the kids inside. So we'll unwrap that in a second. So each of your items comes wrapped like this. So you'll open this here and then kind of just rip through the paper. All right, baby, I'm going to take over holding the box, and I want you to just kind of, oh, okay, they also come individually wrapped in plastic. Okay, so we don't make this video a million years long. What we're going to do is actually go off camera for a second, unwrap everything here, and then we'll come back and just start holding up the individual items for you. So I was looking at the box, and it says for easy returns or for easy exchanges, you would just use this included shipping bag here and a prepaid return label. Unfortunately, I don't see the I don't see the prepaid return label in the box. So I'm going to have to contact them for that, or maybe it's something you print out. I'm not entirely sure. I'm a little confused by this box because I remember selecting the back to school option, and as we're about to show you the items right here that we did receive, you'll notice that it's just a very sporty box. So I'll start with what my daughter's holding in her hand right now.
So we got some really pretty pants. And
these are sports leggings from Reebok.
What did I say? Wait.
Now, here's the thing, is that I definitely selected the option to not have big oversized wording or lettering or anything like that. So I'm kind of surprised to even see this in the box. And also, again, I did choose back to school, and this is not something that should definitely be considered back to school wear. So I'm a little confused by that. Here, hold up the next shirt.
And we got a shirt that says just chilling with a little flamingo on the side.
So again, not that this shirt isn't very cute, because it is, and I love the colors and everything else, but this is a great summer shirt for hanging out, going to the beach or the pool. This is definitely, again, not something for back to school. So I'm really going to have to recheck the account, because I am fairly certain that I did choose back to school, because that's definitely what we're focused on right now. My husband and I is getting her ready for school, so this is just a little confusing to me. But I did choose, when doing her style profile, that she does like more sporty and athletic type gear. Maybe that has some significance in what's going on here. But anyway, let's continue showing you the clothes.
And we got a pair of blue shorts.
Now, these look like some booty shorts that you would see these little teenagers running around with. We most certainly would not pick these ourselves. We most certainly would not have her wearing these outside.
I would wear like shorts, maybe like up to my knees.
Yeah,
almost.
she gets Bermuda style shorts, but certainly something way lengthier than these right here. These are a little on the scandalous side.
Too many people wear them. Mm-hmm. And we got a black t-shirt with a little white star on it.
Mm-hmm. Again, super cute, but just, it's a tank top for just hanging out, not something we would send her back to school in. And you can hold those up.
And we got another pair of shorts. Mm-hmm. They're not as short,
but they're still too short for what we would get for her. And again, oversized logo in writing, which is something I specifically put that we do not like on the clothing. So once again, surprised to see that in there. And then last but not least is this shirt here.
My most favorite one of all is, it's like kind of a tie-dye shirt, but like it goes sideways. And it's really soft.
It is. I love the material on this one. So this one we might end up keeping for her because, turn it the front ways. We might end up keeping for her because it's, you know, just a regular short sleeve shirt with a fun tie-dye rainbow pattern. So something she actually can wear for school. In the beginning it is still warm, and toward the end of school, you know, if it still fits, she can still continue wearing it again next summer. So this is something we definitely might keep. So yes, that's the box so far. I don't know. I don't know if the style profile was just trying to mix everything that we selected as things that she likes, even though it was considered a back to school box. But in the same token, if it was a back to school box, I would have expected to see more school appropriate clothing rather than so much, you know, just sporty athletic clothing and more summertime hangout clothing. So I'm a bit confused by that, but overall the quality of the clothing feels really nice. It looks really good. And the prices, give me 1 second to see if I can find a price sheet in the box. Okay, so my daughter's the best because she just figured out that one, the return label is actually in that little pencil case that she received with the coloring book and stuff. And two, the note that came in that pencil case as well also contains the individual items and the pricing. Now, here's something else interesting is that when you're on the website looking up information, it clearly tells you, I don't know how well you guys would be able to see that, but it clearly tells you for a box for girls' clothes, it's a $98 box, and it's supposed to be about $14 to $16 per item. However, I'm looking at the prices here on the sheet for each individual item that they sent me, and it tells you what the retail price was compared to what the Kidbox price is. And hold this up. This shirt here supposedly was initially $35, but if I want to buy this for her, $27. I'm sorry, but $27, $30 for this t-shirt. I can go to TJ Maxx, I can go to Burlington, I can go to any kid store probably in the mall and find this a lot cheaper than that. Take that down, hold these up. Next, these were supposedly $24 and they have them for $18. Hold up the next tank top. This one initially $24, but they have it for $18 for a tank top with a star. Next are these shorts here, which were supposedly originally $40 and they want to charge $30 for them. Next up, this one here was $42 and they want to charge $32 for this. A tank top. And these, last but not least, are these here, which were $34 and they want to charge $24. So that's way above the $14 to $16 mark, except for the two pieces that were for $18. But I don't like the fact that you kind of advertise one thing and then do a completely different thing. Also, I was really liking the fact that whenever you get a box, and whenever you order items from them, they would donate to charity to help clothe a child in need. The only problem is that as I was reading a little further into the booklet that they sent, that only applies if you decide to keep the entire box. If you send anything back, they don't donate to anything, but they will then give you the opportunity at the end of the purchase to spend whatever on a charity that you want, which is completely fine. But I think that it kind of, I don't know, negates the feel of, you know, the giving of charity. I would like it more if they actually still donated themselves and then still had us donate as well. I'm a little on the fence about this box. Also, I guess it makes it a little more clear that it does say Summer Kidbox at the top. So I guess even though I did choose back to school as my preferred wishes for this box, they're still kind of in summer mode, even though we're almost hitting August. I do have to say delivery was very quick though. I ordered this, I think it was last week Sunday, and today's Saturday, and the box came in yesterday, which is Friday. So delivery was pretty quick from start to finish. I definitely wasn't expecting that, but there's just some things that you come to know more of once you have the box and get a little more detail on certain things. And the pricing is throwing me for a loop. It's throwing me for a loop because to sit here and advertise that you'll have $14 to $16 per item, which is one of the things that I thought was great, because I think that's a good average price for kids' clothes, especially her age and size, which for anyone who wants to know, she is a size 14, 16. So I picked, you know, everything in size 14 all across the board. I think charging 30, you know, 30, 24, $32 for some of these items, and you saw that, you know, they're just these little, you know, tank tops and shorts. I think that's so much for kids' clothes. They grow so fast out of them. The clothes are not gonna last long for them. So I'm really on the fence about this. I'm not so sure that I love it as much as I thought I was going to. So yeah, I'm kind of gonna leave this one as a personal call up to you guys. They do give you a referral code, so I am gonna leave that down below, so that if anybody is interested in trying it out anyway, and you aren't as hung up on the pricing as I am, so I'll leave that down below. If anyone is interested and you do want to use it, it will be there, and then you'll be able to get $25 off if you decide to try a box. And that brings us to the end of this video. So thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for being here.
Wait, we forgot to open this.
Dude, you can do that off camera. So thank you so much for joining us. If you have any further questions that I didn't get to answer them, please feel free to ask them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. You all have an amazing rest of the week and wherever you are. If you haven't already, please comment, rate, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And until next time, I'll be seeing you. Bye.